Hey guys, this is George, and I'm going to go over George's budget for Excel version 17, and this is awesome personal finance software. Currently I'm in the account summary, and this is where you'll see your list of accounts up top. You can add multiple accounts of different types, such as checking accounts, credit card accounts, and savings accounts. And below your list of accounts are various reports that will give you a quick snapshot of your financial position. Let's take a look at some exciting new dashboards. And the first one here is actual versus budget. This is an awesome report to help you get a really good grasp of how you're doing in a particular category and whether you're over budget or under budget. You can see on a month-to-month basis and also on a cumulative basis. You can compare actual versus budget for all of your customized categories that you created, and also category groups, total income, total expenses, and net amount for different time periods. Let's take a look at another new dashboard. And this awesome dashboard allows you to compare this year versus last year, and you can pick any category to compare, and also groups of categories in different time periods. In this particular example is comparing salary for this year versus last year. On the left-hand side is month-to-month data, and on the right-hand side is cumulative data. Now let's take a look at one more amazing dashboard. Let's click right here. And this dashboard is really important because it gives you a quick snapshot of your income versus your spending. You can pick different time periods. And this dashboard shows you data on a month-to-month basis, and also on this last chart here, a cumulative basis. So let's go back to the account summary. And let's take a look at this credit card account. And some of the cool features in the registers is that you can filter each column here. You can split transactions among different categories. And there's tools to help you with reconciliation. You can see here up top, there's one item outstanding for $100. If you look right here, that's this item. If I mark it as reconciled, you can see here that that changes to 0 items outstanding. Your register balance equals your total cleared. Another cool feature in the register is that you can add comments to each transaction. So I added a comment in this cell right here. If I hover over it, you can see that I added additional information to help me understand that transaction. And you can also future date transactions, so you can see the impact of those transactions in the running balance and also in the reports. The categories here that you select from the drop-down list are fully customizable by you. So let's go ahead and take a look at the category list, which is right here. So here you can add your income categories and your expense categories, and you can also set a monthly budget for them, which can vary from month to month. Let's go back to the account summary. And let's take a look at the master register up here. And what's great about this master register is that it automatically combines all of the transactions from all of your accounts in this one register. So if you look at the filter right up here, you can see that it combines multiple accounts here. You can use these arrows here to filter your data and get subtotals of those filters. So this master register is great for getting those subtotals and also for searching through your transactions. So let's click up here and take a look at the custom pivot table reports. And this report is fully customizable by you. For example, I added this chart here. You can filter your data here and look at just any particular time period or groups of time periods. You can use these slicers to just focus in on your income items or your expense items, and also even a particular account. So you can see how you're doing a particular account. I'm going to go ahead and remove this chart here, and I'm going to slice over both these items here, income and expenses, so you get a nice report to see how you're doing on a yearly basis. But up here I'm going to go ahead and clear that. You could have multiple years here, just depending on whatever's in the registers that you've added. And if you want to see the month detail, you could do that also. You could expand the data and see all the data on a monthly basis. So it's a great report that you can fully customize. Let's go up here and let's take a look at the net worth report. In this report, the chart can be customized by you. Down below we have the data that supports the chart. To the right here, you can select just specific accounts if you want to focus in on them, or multiple accounts, or all the accounts. You can also change the chart type if you go right up here to design. Change chart type. Let's change this to a line chart. Click OK. and you can have a different view of your data and also select different groups of accounts. So let's go back to the account summary. And if you click right here, there's also some additional budget versus actual reports to help you analyze your data. So that's a quick overview of George's budget for Excel. And if you would like to find out more information about this amazing software, there'll be a link below the video where you can go to the product page. And if you like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.